At the start of the North American session, the euro versus US dollar was trading just above its 200-hour moving average of 1.1553. Since then, the price has continued the run to the upside. I'll talk about the technicals driving this currency pair now as we reach toward the next key target. So let's get started. In the earlier video, I talked about moving back above this swing area through here. This was an old floor. We broke below the floor, became a ceiling through here. And in trading yesterday and today, we tried to move above it, failed, moved back down to a support target down through here, and found support buyers before pushing back to the upside. That move to the upside took the price above the 200-hour moving average. We were just above that level, and what I commented on was that the best case scenario is staying above that level, but this area down here would be the next key support. If we held that level, held this level, then the buyers remain in play, and we could push higher. Well, the low price came in right near the 200-hour moving average, didn't get below that level, and since then, over the last few hours, we've seen a rotation higher with the increased momentum on the move to the upside. That move to the upside has now taken the price above the 50% of the 2-week high at 2-week range at 1.1568. We also started to move back into this swing area through here, where we had both the swing lows and swing highs coming in play, forming floors and ceilings along the way, and the price has moved up to the high of that swing area, also near the 61.8% retracement of this move to the downside. So getting rid of all that, this yellow area, 61.8% retracement, is the next key target that needs to be broken to increase the bullish bias, and it looks like we did find willing sellers against that level to push the price back down. Well, then the next support level now comes in at the 1.1568 level, and similar to what we saw over here, if we can hold the 50% retracement level, it gives the buyers the go ahead to push back to the upside, back above the next the 61.8% retracement, back above the swing area. If it goes back below that level, then perhaps these sellers up here against the 61.8% retracement now have a battle going on between it and the 200-hour moving average. That would be the most logical next key target on the downside to retest that. So buyers push the price up to a limit, finding some sellers, and now the question is, can support hold on the downside? We'll be watching the 50%. We will be watching the 200-hour moving average on any continued move lower. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.